Felling a tree with a chainsaw is a task that requires precision and high skill. With its sharp chain and powerful engine, the chainsaw allows the user to easily cut through the trunk and fell the tree quickly and efficiently. In addition, the John Deere 7730 is equipped with an advanced control system, allowing operators to easily maneuver and optimize work efficiency. The machine is capable of handling hardwoods, ensuring high-quality output while minimizing operating and maintenance costs. When searching for a labor-saving solution in wood transportation, the Camox F140 tractor is the ideal choice. With a powerful 140 horsepower engine and fuel-efficient design, the Camox F140 helps reduce operating costs, boost productivity, and complete tasks quickly and efficiently. Incredible! The overloaded Hino touch truck struggles to climb the hill, causing the engine to emit smoke. The overload increases pressure on the engine, leading to overheating, reduced performance, and posing a serious risk of severe damage.
Nanjaknya malah kasihan truknya.
Unbelievable with the power of this vehicle. The MVI 0536, despite carrying tens of tons of wood across rugged terrain, is still able to tow another truck in trouble. This demonstrates the impressive operational capability and exceptional strength of the vehicle.
Agora vai!
Are you curious about the powerful capabilities of the Marbark 4036 micro grinder? The Marbark 4036 Micro is equipped with 16 Advantage 3 drum blades and a CAT C27 800 horsepower engine. This machine not only produces wood chips quickly, but also delivers exceptional performance, making it ideal for large-scale wood processing tasks. When precision and efficiency are required for drilling tasks, the TA-20 drill bit with a splitter is the perfect choice. Its intelligent design ensures even distribution of drilling force, guaranteeing a smooth and quick drilling process. The TA-20 drill bit is commonly used in the wood processing and construction industries. To handle large logs, oak trees measuring 102,362 inches in length and 53.14 inches in diameter, weighing approximately 5,070 pounds, will first be cut using a saw and automatic splitting machine. Afterward, the thick wood is quickly and accurately separated using the Grohe GSW40 wood splitter, enhancing work efficiency. With its intelligent design, the G-Scar step feeder single module efficiently and precisely divides wood. This machine is optimized for fast wood processing, minimizing waste and boosting productivity in the wood processing process. This historic steam sawmill stands out with its giant circular saw blades, the largest among current sawmill machines.
The sawyer and carriage setter load along on the carriage.
With advanced sawing technology, the machine delivers outstanding performance, allowing for quick and precise wood cutting and boosting productivity for large-scale wood processing projects. When it comes to creating wood art, the 150 horsepower wood lathe is the ideal tool. With the help of this machine, a massive piece of redwood was transformed into a unique light fixture. The precise turning process creates perfect curves, enhancing the natural beauty of the wood. With just half a log, the perfect bowl has been crafted. The precise turning process creates intricate details, from the perfectly round shape to the smooth surface. This is a clear testament to the flawless combination of art and technology in woodcraft. The process of building a wooden house begins with selecting and processing high-quality wood materials. Next, components like the frame, walls, and roof are assembled with precision to create a solid structure. Finally, finishing touches are added, resulting in a beautiful and durable wooden home. With superior improvements, the kinetic log splitter, combined with a custom wood splitter and a 3 kilowatt electric motor, delivers exceptional work efficiency. This equipment makes the wood splitting process faster, more powerful, and labor-saving, optimizing productivity. To enhance efficiency in wood processing, the 8000 series circular log processor, combined with Posh Leibniz's SpaltFix K Vario automatic saw, offers absolute precision. This machine enables quick cutting and splitting of firewood, optimizing work productivity. The Bell Super Splitter 2018, featuring an 80 horsepower CAT turbo diesel engine and an adjustable 4-way wedge, is the ideal tool for handling large logs. The power of the engine, combined with its flexible design, allows the machine to split wood quickly and efficiently. Impressive! With a splitter capacity of 176,369,809 pounds and an adjustable push wedge, the side hydraulic excavator allows for efficient wood processing. Notably, this equipment can handle logs up to 1.97 feet in length, enhancing both productivity and precision in the task.